Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to download the Ring app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to download the Ring app, all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store app, and once you open it, in the search bar type in the Ring. So once you type in the Ring in the search bar, you will end up in this page where you need to simply tap on the Ring Always Home and tap on the install button. After some simple procedures are completed, the installation process of the Ring app will start to take place in your device, and once it is completed, it will start to get downloaded in your device as well. So once the download process is completely finished, the app will now get installed in your device, as the installing will be continued for a matter of seconds. So once the installing is also completed, you can simply open the Ring app from your Play Store itself, or you can simply go back to home screen and open it when you want. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.